Hello, and welcome to this Medicare Bootcamp session on Original Medicare Part A, Coverage and Out-of-Pocket Costs. Medicare Part A is the hospital insurance portion of Medicare. It covers inpatient services in a hospital, in a skilled nursing facility, in hospice care, and in some cases, home health care, if the home health care is used in replacement to an inpatient admission to one of the above. Now, this may not sound like a lot of coverage, but it provides protection against the most expensive services in healthcare. As noted in the last session, Part A is usually premium free, but there are costs associated with it. Let's take a look at inpatient hospital care. First, there's a $1,408 deductible. This means that before Medicare pays anything, you must absorb the first $1,408 of Part A allowed expenses. After the deductible, Medicare pays for all expenses from the first day of admission through day 60. For days 61 to 90, you pay $352 per day. Medicare pays the rest. For any days longer than 90 days, you pay $704 a day, and that's for up to 60 lifetime days, or what's called the lifetime reserve. After the lifetime reserved is used, you pay 100% of the costs with no upper limit. Essentially, this coverage is for each distinct hospital stay. For example, if you are admitted for the same issue that you were just discharged from, you would just be plugged back into those days as described above without a new deductible. For an entirely new admission, however, you would start over with the deductible. You only get 60 lifetime reserve days, no matter how many different admissions you have. So while it is very rare for someone to exceed 90 days, it does happen, and those bills can pile up quickly. Here's some foreshadowing for you, though. We'll be talking about Medigap and Medicare Advantage soon, which provides protection against that liability. Now let's look at Part A out-of-pocket costs for skilled nursing and rehabilitative stay. Unlike hospital stays, Medicare covers 100% for the first 20 days with no deductible. For days 21 to 100, you pay the first $176 per day, and Medicare pays the rest. And for days past 100, you pay 100% of the costs, again with no limits, and in this case, with no lifetime provision. Remember, neither Part A nor Part B offers any coverage for prescription drugs. As you can see, Medicare Part A offers some protection for short-term inpatient admissions, but leaves you with a potential huge liability problem. But don't worry, you've come to the right place. We will be discussing how Medigap and Medicare Advantage can relieve that liability. Before we get to that though, our next bootcamp session will take on Medicare Part B.